Facebook famous.
Damn it, boy. Yeah, this is gonna go on social media for sure. It might not look like it, but that was a lot of work getting just these two feed bands down. This is my plan right here. I think this counts. I can say that I have a turbo LS Miata now. Finally got the hot side done. That's fucking loud. Pretty much got the cold side stuff figured out. I ended up using one piece of pipe that was a 45-degree bend, and I had to cut it off there, and the piece that I cut off went right there. Oh, there it is. It's draining. Woo! Let's hook it up and see what happens. All right, I got a downpipe made. Obviously, I got to start it and see what it sounds like now. So first start with the coupler on. Fingers crossed, everything's all right. Well, cool. I guess that was the first start. Sweet. There's my wastegate dump. Pretty happy with how it turned out. So this is my radiator. Hell yeah. That's it right there. That's it. Fuck yeah, dude. Look at that, dude. And there we go. I like it. I think it looks pretty good. Ah, these things are tight. Dude, that looks so cool. It just looks so much different now, and it feels complete now that it's on the ground. Dang, look at it. It's in there. It works now. Oh my God. Yeah, it's working. I got the boost controller hooked up and turned it up.
Okay, that right there feels like the 200 shot. That felt really good. I'm gonna get used to it a little more, and then I'm gonna turn it the fuck up.
Well, we made it to Greer Dragway.
You popped the intake manifold and decided to turbo it?
Yeah.
Bro, what?
It's funny how that happens.
Everything. This black stuff hasn't been nearly as bad as this stuff was. Here's the downpipe. Maybe it's just me, but I think it kind of sounds better. Look at that one. Now look at that one. So, I kind of, just went full send with it. I'm probably just gonna draw a line and cut. Let's see what happens. Oh, so much for minty quarters. We done did this. Yep, that's the thing now. This thing is hot. That doesn't sound good. This is the kind of shit I'd be out here doing. No angle grinder here, but we got some damn vice grips.
You broke it.
Fuck.
Come on, Barry.
At least I had to press that hub out. There's third gear. So, I have two neutrals now, which sucks. We definitely need a third. Like I said, that's separated. Hopefully this one holds better than this one did. Yep. Hopefully it doesn't do that. We got third gear. Woo! Look at it. Working. That's a good thing. For how long, who knows. But I got third gear again. Got me a set of flow match Bosch 210s, genuine Bosch 210s. Kind of sounds different a little bit. Damn it, they didn't give me a sticker. The real one of the one that one's a copy of it.
Now it's time to turn it the fuck up.
535 is out, 255 is back in. Dual pumps are in. 2 pumps going into a T there. Car works fucking amazing and it's fast as fuck. My dipstick's popping out and it's spewing oil out. So I got a lot of blow by. Definitely not the desired effect. Pretty flaky in there. You know I like to send things, but I don't think this is worth sending. Well, it's coming out. I'm missing a chunk there, a big one there. It's just making a little kiss there. Just a tiny little kiss. Thrust is fucked. This one is pretty foobarred. We survived the hurricane. My neighbors, not so much though. These are my pistons. I got these K1 rods here. Spins nice and easy. ARP 2000s this time. Copper spray. I'll copper spray brand new head gaskets. I don't give a fuck. Thing's basically ready to go in. Welcome back. I was gonna put the motor in. Pilot bearing issues. Cutting my old crank. I need to make that hole 30 thousandths bigger, and I can have a custom $100 and something shipped from Florida pilot bushing adapter for $750, and I bought 2 in case I fuck one up. Like, it doesn't even fall all the way down. It's perfect. But I don't know how it just sprung a leak like that, just out of nowhere. One compression fitting later, and dude, I said this weeks ago, at least 2 weeks ago, I said as soon as I'm ready to put this motor in, it's gonna start raining. Look. Oh well, there was little raindrops here, but they dried up. But it started raining, and it's... Honestly, this is the part I need to be recording. Trying to get this sumbitch around from there. Keon came and helped me. Now he's got a race to work. My man. I have an LS Miata again. Now I have a turbo LS Miata. See if we can build some oil pressure. Oh, well, that could definitely pose a problem. Figure out what it is. Well... You know, fucking starter's dead. Oh, yeah, buddy. Oil pressure. Holy shit, that's a lot of oil pressure for cranking it with the starter. I'd say it's gonna take a while to fire because it's got a lot of fucking copper spray. See what happens. All right, I'll take it. Why is that rattling? Got great oil pressure. That's what I'm talking about. That motherfucker fired right up like that. Dude, it sounds really, really healthy. I'm worried. Started the car. Now it's time to turn it the fuck up. Didn't feel as fast. Huh. What did it feel like to you?
It felt fast. So we're like, it didn't feel fast though. Fuck, it didn't.
That was a good pass. Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Damn it, boy, that felt fucking good. What did I do?
683.
Really?
Yeah.
Dude, that's a PB! No fucking way! Hell yeah! Dude, that was cool as shit! I was not expecting that at all! Fuck yeah, dude! Hell yeah, that's a PB, 683! Woohoo! You believe that all that happened just in this past 6 months? Definitely been a roller coaster of emotions, to say the least. But I wouldn't trade this car for anything. More things to come next season. Got some things in the works, so make sure you subscribe. Stay notified so you don't miss out on what's to come. Hopefully not more catastrophic failure. As always, appreciate you watching. Thanks for subscribing. We'll see you in the next one. Later, y'all.